Yes, friends, after all that hard work of school and exams, here we come with the summer holidays. And when it's the time of summer holidays, it's not just a time of packing bags, but it's also the time of different activities lined up for all the children. As you can see behind me, we have a huge rush. These are the kids who utilize their time in dancing. So for you to know what is this Happy Feet all about, let me tell you and take you to this academy where all these students have been practicing for 1.5 months. And today they are here for the Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy celebration. They're going to be dancing on the stage and showing all their dance steps, what they have been practicing for 1.5 months. So it's time for us to check out and do some dhamal masti with the students of Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy, the Dance Ke Superstars. So here we are with those happy feet, each team divided with different colors. Let's see what they have in store with Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy, Dance Ke Superstar. It's season 5. Let me have a quick walk to one of the parents and ask her. Here I am with the parent of one of the child participating. You are what, your brother, sister, who's
My
here?
sister is there.
She's, what age is she?
She's 12 now.
So this dance academy is for all age group.
Yeah, they have different groups in there.
Is this the first time your sister is taking part?
No, she takes parts usually.
So what do you feel about the academy? Speak something.
It's nice. Students are getting good chance to come up.
All right, so there we have the little girl with those little dimples talking very, very simple and few words, saying that it rocks. Let us now talk to this gentleman who's already handful with the kids, as we can see. Where have you come from?
Varka.
Marka. So after the dance academy session, the dancing summer camp session,
Yes,
who's there of yours inside?
my daughter.
How old?
She's 4 years old. 5 years old.
Only 5 years, huh? So she loves dancing.
Yeah, she
Who
does.
in the family is more into dancing, the mother or the father?
Well, you can say both of them.
All right, and these are the other two. Are they going to be in the short list next year?
Well, hopefully.
Is she dancing on the stage for the first time?
First time.
How comfortable were you to send her?
Been a little bit nervous, but hope for the best.
Nice. Okay, all the best to your girl. And there we have somebody else also. तुमचे कोण असा? तुमचे भितर कोण असा?
असा सनीश मागीर चलो आसा
तुमचे आणि
आमचे
तुमचे
का म्हाका आवडटा म्हणून हांवें घातला ताका डान्स करपाक
ओके सो हियर एक आवय आसा ताका आवडटा म्हणून चल्याक घातला डान्सा खातीर How does it feel coming to the dancing program?
Yeah, we are very excited today, and it has been the first time my son is performing for the Siddharth Academy. So he's 7 years.
We are from Fatorda and Siddhant is awesome, well trained, the kids are well trained.
How old is your child?
My child is 5 years old, Kiara Lotlikar.
Oh, just 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so must be the first.
This is our first time, yeah.
All the best to you. So tell me, from where have you come?
From Benauli. Came from Benauli. Okay. And my granddaughter is in the team of Siddharth. And right from childhood, she had a liking for dancing and all. So why not put her for dance classes? So instead of wasting time during the summer holidays. So that's what.
So you're the grandmother.
Yeah, I'm her grandmother.
So does she make you dance also at home?
Of course, it's because it's in the blood, it's in the family.
So how was
Yeah.
the dance with you?
He was very good.
He
Yeah.
taught her just the way you wanted.
Yeah, but this is just a Bollywood. This like what was not expected. We, our Goan culture. We like the foxtrot, cha cha cha, all those.
I think long way to go still.
Yeah,
This is
that's
the
long
beginning.
way. This is the beginning. So they will take time. She's just 7 years old.
7 years.
Just 7 years.
So if Siddhant has succeeded teaching dance to you through the 7-year-old, then I think he has succeeded in the camp.
Yeah, of course.
अथक परिश्रमांतल्यान जो कार्यक्रम आज हांगा घडोवन येता तो बाब सिद्धांत गडेकर आनी ताचो बापूय बाब दीपक हातूंत पार्टिसिपेट जावपी सगळे स्टुडंट्स आनी सगळे पेरेंट्स खरें म्हणल्यार सिद्धांताचें अभिनंदन करपाक जाय की ल्हानशा एका हातूंतल्यान स्टार्ट केल्लें तो ताचो सिद्धांत एकेडमी आज इतली व्हडली जाल्ली आसा की म्हाका दिसता हो हॉल कमी पडटा म्हणजे ह्या हॉलांत खंयचोय कार्यक्रम जाता जाल्यार चडशे कार्यक्रमांत इतलो भरिल्लो क्रावड आसना पण म्हाका 5:00 आनी 5:30 फोन करून सांगलें की हॉल पॅक जाल्लो आसा तूं बेगीन यो म्हणून हांवें धरिल्लें 6:30 जातलें अशें म्हणून हांव सिद्धांताचें अभिनंदन करता की अत्यंत बऱ्या पद्दतीन म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक आज ताजे बद्दल सामकें एट्रॅक्शन आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा आमी म्हणटात की गोंयचे कलाकार गोंयांत रावन व्हडले जावपाक जाय म्हाका संदी मेळ्ळी आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टर म्हणून हांवें कितलेशे प्रोग्राम केले बरे बरे आर्टिस्ट विथ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ गोवा आनी ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया आमी पावयले गोंयच्या ल्हान ल्हान आर्टिस्टांक तशेंच बाब सिद्धांतान म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या थोड्या आर्टिस्टांक फॉरेनाक सुद्दां तो घेवन गेला भायर घेवन गेला आपल्या बरोबर आनी तातूंतल्यान ताणें एक स्वताक आज नांव कमयल्लें आसा म्हाका खात्री आसा तुमी आवय बापूय जे आपल्या भुरग्यांक घालतात तांणी सिद्धांताचेर पूर्णपणे विश्वास दवरचो म्हाका खात्री आसा की तो प्रत्येक ल्हान भुरग्याक ह्या गोंयचो एक बऱ्यांतलो बरो आर्टिस्ट बरो डान्सर करतलो ताचें फ्युचर वील बी व्हेरी ब्रायट
एक गोंया भितर जाल्ली क्रांती एक 5-10 वर्सां पयलें गोंया भितर ह्या क्षेत्रा भितर असो कोणच दिग्गज नाशिल्लो की संपूर्ण गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक असो प्लॅटफॉर्म दिवपाचो आनी आज सिद्धांतान ती तांक दाखयली आनी ताका लागूनच त्या विश्वासान संपूर्ण गोंया भितर सिद्धांताची डान्स अकादमी उबी आसा फक्त ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीरच डान्स न्ही आमच्या सारक्यांक मातशा पोट आयिल्ल्या जाणटेल्यांक सुद्दां ते पोट कमी करपाचो मार्ग सिद्धांता कडेन आसा सिद्धांताले झुंबा क्लासीस जर जॉइन जाले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की एल्डरली पीपल सुद्दां जे मध्यम वयोगट आसा ते सुद्दां फिट्टम फाट रावपाक शकतात सिद्धांताच्या ह्या सगळ्या कार्याक हांव शुभेच्छा दिता रवींद्र भवनचो संपूर्ण तेंको आमी सिद्धांताक हाजे पयलीं दिला आज दिला आनी हाजे मुखारय दीत रावतले अशें सिद्धांताक उतर दिता देव बरें करूं
Two. And there we go. For each and everyone, put your hands together for Dance Game Superstar 2018.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा So do I like to die in rain. हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मसवर मेरा ये आसमां के देख यही उम्र है गलती से mistake। चलना सर पिलाना कोई बड़ी बनाना अरे अब बेटा शुरू होता तो मगर साइकिल पे घुमा है तुम तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो पीछे लड़की लगा के दे यही Vaya,